How to unpack and power up the HP LaserJet M232 through M237, M232E through M237E printer series. Open the box and then remove the power cable. If you have an ADF model printer, you must also remove the paper input tray. Set the box on its side and then pull on the plastic bag to remove the printer from the box. Remove the product reference guide and refer to it to understand the use of the printer buttons, color of the front light bar, and for Wi-Fi troubleshooting steps. Remove the foam end caps and then remove the printer from the bag. Caution: do not pull out the orange center toner sheet yet. If you have a non-ADF model printer, remove the orange tape that secures the input tray cover to the front of the printer and set it aside. Remove the orange tape from the printer. If you have an ADF model, remove the paper tray from the bag and install it by pushing it inwards until it snaps into place. Next, lower the paper tray cover onto the paper tray. The Getting Started card is attached to the top of the printer. It has the QR code for downloading HP Smart to your mobile device and HP support information. Caution: do not remove the toner cartridge from the printer. The printer is shipped with the toner cartridge already prepared for printing. Connect the power cord to the rear of the printer and then plug the other end of the power cord into an electrical outlet. Turn on the printer.